The Able Life Space Saver Rollator is a thoughtfully designed mobility aid that requires no assembly and provides customizable handle heights to suit users ranging from 200 to 500 pounds. Its standout feature is its compact folding ability, making it 2 to 3 times smaller than typical bariatric rollators, which enhances portability and storage convenience. The Rollator offers a large, non-slip seat that comfortably supports up to 500 pounds, allowing users to take breaks during activities like shopping or strolling. Weighing 30 pounds, this rollator is ready to assist with daily tasks, from running errands to moving around the home without any need for initial setup. Safety is a priority with the inclusion of locking handbrakes, which help control speed and provide stability when engaging the brakes for sitting. With its robust design and user-friendly features, the Able Life Space Saver Rollator is an ideal choice for those seeking reliable and comfortable mobility support.